Knock it off! Ow! So then quit!
January 4, 2023, a residential trespass removal call in a suburban neighborhood. Officers respond to assist a homeowner in removing an intoxicated, non-compliant house guest, an encounter that escalates into active physical resistance, taser deployment, and a warrant arrest.
Why is it so bad? This guy's a good guy, but I don't want him here.
Like he's just overstayed his welcome, or like he just...
Yeah.
How do you know him?
Oh, I've known him for 12 years.
Okay.
He just showed up here the other night, and I just feel bad because he's drunk like my son is.
Okay.
And I just want him.
13-year-old boy's upstairs.
Okay. Where is he?
It's just right there by the door.
No, but Carrie, where is he?
What's that?
Where is he in the house?
In the back. Woo! In the back row.
Okay. Oh, there's a cat. Hey, Shane. Shane. I don't know, I'm gonna hear pop. I said no. Shane, it's the police department. You need to come outside. That goes down to the basement. Do you need to come over here and speak with me? Come here. Let's come downstairs. Either that or you can sit on the couch. I don't really care. So Carrie wants you out.
Yeah.
What's going on with that? I guess there's no light.
Hello?
Huh?
Hello?
Where are you staying normally?
What? Normally staying normally?
Yeah.
At my friend's house.
Where's that at?
It's over here.
Okay. And you've just been here hanging out for a couple days?
Yeah.
Okay.
If she wants me to go, I'll go get...
Well, hold on. Where's your stuff? Like, how much stuff do you have here?
Not much, just the stuff.
Okay. Do you have stuff upstairs?
No.
Okay. Do you have your ID or anything with you?
Yeah, I got my stuff.
You have your wallet?
Yeah.
Can I see it? I just need to verify that you are who you are. There's nothing else upstairs?
No.
Okay. Hold on, hold on. Come over here. You can't come up there.
No.
Do you have socks and shoes and stuff that you can put on?
Yeah.
Okay.
Where's the shoes at, dude?
Probably those. Are they those Nikes that are right there? Are those yours?
Pumas? Or the Nikes?
The Nikes? Shane,
Huh?
are those Nikes yours? With the blue?
Yeah.
Okay. You want to go out in shorts?
No.
Okay.
Pants and stuff.
Okay.
Oh, the rest of my stuff was in her wash. She was washing it.
Okay.
Legal Ipsu 1, revocable lateness and trespass. A social guest holds a revocable license to remain on private property. Upon the owner's explicit revocation, continued presence satisfies the actus rusuf of criminal trespass. Officers lawfully execute the property owner's revocation of consent. No civil eviction process is required for a licensee. Critical leastance versus tenant will. If the subject stored belongings on site and resided there for multiple consecutive days, he may have acquired tenant at will status under state landlord-tenant law. That status triggers statutory eviction protections, stripping officers of authority to physically remove him without a court order. Establishing occupancy duration at the threshold is therefore a mandatory preliminary step. Its omission creates civil liability exposure for the department. Legal Ipsu 2, consensual inshentication. The officer's initial questioning constitutes a consensual encounter. Under Terry v. Ohio, 392 U.S. 1, 1968, no Fourth Amendment restraint applies. The subject retains the right to refuse questions and to leave. In non-stop and identified jurisdictions, failure to produce ID during a consensual encounter is not an independent offense. Under Hybel v. 6th Judicial District Court, 542 U.S. 177, 2004, a lawful ID demand requires reasonable articulable suspicion of a crime, not mere removal assistance. Not. Legal ixu 3, cus for minor offense continued noncompliance following a lawful directive to vacate, establishes probable cause for criminal trespass or obstruction arrest. Under Atwater v. City of Lago Vista, 532 U.S. 318, 2001, a full custodial arrest for a misdemeanor offense does not violate the Fourth Amendment, provided probable cause exists. The arrest here is constitutionally sound.
Well, you can talk to her about getting your clothes and stuff later, but we gotta get you out of here now, okay? You wanna...
I'll carry this for you, Shane. That's not mine.
Oh, it's not yours? Oh, I thought you said the backpack was yours.
No.
I don't want to take her son's backpack.
Just clothes. No.
What else is yours, dude?
I need socks.
Well, I know. That's why I'm asking. Where do you have stuff or no?
What?
Okay, just put your shoes on. Just put your shoes on. Just put your shoes on, dude.
Why? What did I do?
Oh, we just gotta get you out of here. Okay. Let me put your hands behind your back too. Shane?
What did I do?
Shane! Look out, look out, look out. Shane! Shane!
Ready?
Shane, you're gonna get tased! Knock it off! One.
Taser point, taser point.
Let go of it.
Way more spots.
Stop, 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 stop. Knock it off.
Shane, we're done. Shane, we're done.
Get down or I'll tease you again.
What am I under arrest?
You have a
Shane,
warrant.
got one.
Where? In Wisconsin?
Knock it off.
Shane? Shane, get on your knees.
Ow! Ow!
Shane?
Are you kidding me, Shane?
What?
Shane?
Can you get your phone, please? Knock it off.
Ow!
So then quit.
You guys are... Ow! Ow!
Whoever's coming, step it up.
I swear to God, I will punch you in the face. Put your hand behind your back.
All the way back, keep coming. Squad there,
What?
keep coming, I see you.
Actually, grab him and pull him down. Pull him down. Pull him down.
Get over here, no! It's your taser.
Well, it won't work and he keeps trying to hit us, so. You f***ing did, you did.
No, knock it off.
Thank you, but my arm.
Hit you go off.
No,
No, knock it off.
absolutely not.
Stop.
Knock it off. Yeah. Just one.
Jared, I got it. Jared, off. Jared, off.
You're the one
You're
making it
fine.
difficult, man.
Get off. Take a breather. Get off.
Man, come on.
Are you good, Jared?
I'm gonna walk you to a car. If you try anything, you're going to the
Oh,
ground.
so you're in pain.
You understand?
I'm good.
Nope.
Dizzy.
Nope. Oh, so you're in pain and you're dizzy. Awesome. No,
I'm good. I'm good.
no, I heard you're in pain and you're dizzy.
Oh yeah. Where's your car with the cage?
Parked right there. I lost my phone somewhere if you want to try and find it. Huh? Punch me in the nose.
Oh yeah. Gotta check the front here. You're not gonna cry, are you?
No, he caged me. There's something I can remember.
Medical attention?
No.
Alright. Well, don't cry, alright?
She started saying punch. Never punched nobody.
I'm good here, I haven't
Oh, grab I don't know if it's unlocked or not.
Watch your head. You're not doing good?
No. You could have arrested me.
Legal IMSU 4U Force, Graham v. Connor Analysis Graham v. Connor, 490 U.S. 386, 1989, establishes the controlling constitutional standard. Force must be objectively reasonable from the perspective of a reasonable officer on scene, not evaluated with 20/20 hindsight. The three-factor test weighs 1. Severity of the underlying offense, 2. Whether the subject poses an immediate threat, and 3. Whether the subject is actively resisting or fleeing. All three factors here support the escalation to intermediate force. At Legal IMSU 5, Taser deployment as intermediate force conducted energy device deployment against an actively resistant subject falls within the intermediate range of the use of force continuum. Federal circuits have upheld this standard. Bryan v. McPherson, 630F.3D 805, 9th Sear 2010. Cockrell v. City of Cincinnati, 468F, App 491, 6th Sears 2012. Each individual taser cycle must independently satisfy Graham's reasonableness test at the moment of application. Successive deployments are not per se excessive, but require documented ongoing resistance to justify each cycle. Legal 6 Arrest on outstanding warrant. An outstanding arrest warrant constitutes judicial pre-authorization for detention independently satisfying the Fourth Amendment without additional probable cause analysis. Under United States v. Leon, 48 U.S. 897, 1984, officers acting in good faith reliance on a facially valid warrant retain full legal authority to execute the arrest regardless of subsequent defects later identified in the warrant. At Legally 7 Duty to provide medical attention following use of force, officers bear a constitutional obligation to address detainee injury claims. Under City of Revere, Massachusetts General Hospital, 463 U.S. 239, 1983, deliberate indifference to a serious medical need of a pretrial detainee violates the 14th Amendment Due Process Clause. At failure to summon medical assistance after taser deployment and physical struggle exposes both the officer and the municipality to Section 1983 civil liability. Lessons learned: 3 actionable legal lessons from this encounter. First, verify occupancy status before any physical removal tenant at will protections can transform a trespass call into an unlawful eviction. Second, Document each individual use of force application with contemporaneous justification. Successive taser cycles require separate gram analysis. Third, proactively offer medical assessment following any CW deployment. This satisfies the 14th Amendment duty and reduces civil exposure under 42 U.S.C. 1983. Reactive force was legally defensible here. Procedural gaps in documentation and medical response are the primary liability vectors.